Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to modify the undo limit in Microsoft Excel. You can do this through Registrator. For that, click on this one, a Start button on your Windows 11 or 10 PC, and then type Registry. Click on Registrator App Entry. Then you need to copy and paste this one path. I will leave this article link in this video description. You can copy this one details from there. After pasting this one details, press enter on your keyboard and then right click on this one options key, select new, and then divert 32-bit value and name it undo history. Press enter on the keyboard, double click on this one undo history, divert and select here base as decimal. Here you can enter your desired number of undo history for Excel. Then click on this one OK button, close the registrator and restart your PC once. You can do up to 100 or whatever you have set this one figure in undo history. You can use Control plus Z up to that limit. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.